Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bite Buddies. Today we're going to make one of the simplest and most delicious breakfast dishes. I know everybody must be expecting what dish is this. So this is a classic omelette. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this recipe is super easy to follow and will give you a perfect fluffy omelette every time. Alright, let's get started. For this simple omelette, all you need are a basic few ingredients. You can see here, I've cut 2 eggs into this bowl, a little green chili, a little coriander, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped tomato. For this recipe, I'm going to use butter. You can feel free to use oil or ghee, and oregano, pepper powder, and salt. So now let's start doing the omelette. So I'm going to put 2 eggs here and put all of these vegetables like tomato, onion, green chili, and coriander. Sprinkle a little salt, just a little pepper powder, not much, else it will change the entire taste of the omelette. Okay, so now let's go ahead and whisk it all together nicely. Make sure it is getting blended well. Okay, so just you have to make sure that you see both the egg white and egg yolk getting completely mixed with the vegetables. So once you see it's done, let's go ahead and start making the omelette. Okay. So now let's heat up the pan and put a little butter. Just spread it evenly on the pan. Now let's pour the omelette inside. And spread it evenly like this so that the entire omelette gets covered with the pan. Now I'm going to cover this and also ensure that this is going on a medium flame and not a high flame. Right? Okay, so I've left it for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's open and see now. It's perfectly done. Okay. And now, once the omelette is mostly set, but still a little soft in the middle, you can see. Yep. Use a spatula to gently lift the edges and flip it over, so that doesn't break. Okay, I think this should be perfectly fine to eat now. So now once this is done, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top of this, which is optional. If you really like, you can also add this, but it's going to add a tinge of flavor to the omelette. So yes, I'm done. So I'm going to switch off the flame and your omelette is really ready now. Alright, there you go. You have a simple delicious omelette ready to enjoy. So it's light, medium light, flavorful, and should be very yummy. You can customize this to whatever fillings you like, making it your own. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit button, that notification bell, so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you.